Odan CTC TV. The American piano of Anissa. Odan for na Jatum. Tell party. What I say, what Jatum? Tell party Jatum. Odan for Jimudi. Monty Tum. City TV. COMOAKU. City TV. I want a place mission. Blaster place no. Ghana local place no. All of Biashe. City TV. City na. Keko. Goa.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the brochure will be distributed very evenly out for all of us. So, in a few moments, these brochures will come to all of us. Thank you very much. Of course, as we all know this, His Excellency the President, in a few moments, will be joining us here. Ladies and gentlemen, respectfully, I'll ask that we all rise as we welcome His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, Mr. John Mahama. Once again, respectfully, we shall remain standing as we welcome First Gentleman of the land and Commander-in-Chief of Armed Forces, His Excellency John Mahama. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, Indians of the white floors, we shall not go ahead. Please go ahead. It's right and welcoming His Excellency with the builder. Please go ahead. And of course, at this time, as tradition demands, His Excellency the President is going around exchanging greetings of warmth and love with the family and some of our religious leaders and some key officers of state. Your Excellency, you're welcome.
Guys, let's come back again. Come back. There's a camera here. There's a live camera here. There's a live camera here.
There's a live camera here. Please move back.
Once again, I'd like to pay my respects to yet another founding member of the ruling National Democratic Congress, who previously served this nation as Minister for Finance. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Appiah. Beloved, good friends, loved ones gathered here from far and near. For those of you who are just joining us, we are gathered here this morning celebrating the life and work as well as the impact story of the celebrated Alhaji Dr. Alhaji Banda. Persons of diverse endeavor and diverse background have gathered here this morning purely because of the love and the relationship established with him. Immense gratitude to Sheikh Appiah, all our Muslim clerics and leaders who led us through.
ومن ورائهم برزخ إلى يوم يبعثون فإذا نفخ في الصور فلا أنساب بينهم يومئذ ولا يتساءلون فمن ثقلت موازينه فأولئك هم المفلحون ومن خفت موازينه فأولئك الذين خسروا أنفسهم في جهنم خالدون.
To have his presence here.
Okay. Bra.
Political fire.
Everything is but you will decline. Everything is
Madam, and you I'm just saying, I can't know. And
I